YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Gary, and this is the That Detail Guy channel. And today, boy, do I got some exciting stuff to share with you. We're just going to jump right into it. It's going to be tire and wheel cleaners. Which one's the best? Which one am I going to get the best bang out of my buck for? You know, which one does the job, saves me time, saves me money, and which one is the most efficient. So if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and tune in. Right now, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so I can continue making these type of videos. Let's jump into it. All right, so the first product that I'm going to describe to you guys today is the Gorilla Carcare tire and wheel cleaner. So this is a company that you may not have heard of yet. They just were operational as of June 5th of this year. I'm kind of in the heart of the pandemic. The owner, Matt, said, hey man, I have a passion to clean cars. I love cleaning cars, and I'm gonna create a company. So hats off to the guy. He makes some really good stuff. And as you guys will see in this video, I'm gonna put this up against some of the biggest names out there that you guys are all used to seeing in the videos. It's gonna be P&S Brake Buster, Meguiar's non-acid wheel cleaner, Chemical Guy's Diablo wheel cleaner, and we're gonna see who is actually the best and where you should, spend your money, right? So the next product I'm going to be talking about here is the Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. It's a great product. A lot of you guys use it. I obviously am using it in this video, and you're going to see kind of how this product performs against all its other competitors. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. And like I said, I'll sum everything up here in just a second. The next one here is going to be the Chemical Guy's very popular Diablo wheel cleaner. You guys are going to get to see how this performs and kind of what we think about it, and we'll see if it can hang up with all the other people in its price point. Like I said, all these products are priced pretty similarly. I think you can pick this up for about 12 bucks. You can buy this in bulk, which is very nice, but we'll see how it performs. Like I said, we've got the P&S Brake Buster here that you can dilute in the IK foam sprayer, so you guys will see me demonstrate that. So anytime you do see the IK foam sprayer, just know this is what's in there. Super clean is always a basic foundation. You're gonna see this diluted 3-to-1 on tires. So you do see me use this as a pre-spray. And honestly, depending on how much time you have, you can actually use super clean to clean wheels and tires, right? It's a great product, super versatile. A lot of you guys know what it is. You just have to be a little bit more careful. You don't wanna use it on a hot day, kind of like with any of these products, but you can get this entire gallon for $9, or you can get 2.5 gallons for $20, right? So you guys know that this product is a mainstay in the detailing world, and you can use it for a lot of different things, and that's why you guys see me using it in the spray bottle. right, so you guys seen the videos. Hopefully they kind of speak for themselves, but let me just kind of summarize everything. What product do I think is the best and the worst, right? So without further ado, let's talk about what the worst is. I think it was pretty obvious, right? It's this crap. Chemical guys, Diablo. I don't know what this is. I would not sell this to my worst enemy. It's a complete waste of time. And unless you want your wheels and tires to smell like bubblegum, save your money. Don't buy this. Don't buy the kit that it comes with. It's absolute garbage. Throw it in the trash if you have it. It just doesn't do anything. I don't know what its necessarily purpose is. It says that it removes brake dust fast, spot free, and it's great for tires and wheels. It's not, and you guys can see that was extremely evident. You guys can see that the other products kind of kicked its butt. This is a complete waste of time. Save your money, don't buy it. So like I kind of alluded to in the intro, I think Super Clean is a great product, right? If you guys have some of this laying around, or if you're buying it in bulk, you know, you can stick with it, right? It's not going to be the quickest, and it's not going to be the most efficient, but after a few different passes, yes, you can effectively clean wheels and tires with Super Clean. So kind of keep that in mind. If you guys don't want to run to the store and you have some of this on hand, you can dilute that 4-to-1 in a bottle, spray it. It's going to get the job done. It just might take you a little bit more time. And for that reason, that's why it's kind of next to last place, because I think it's used in a lot more applications that are a lot more beneficial. And I think there's other products that are better. So now let's talk about the next product, and this may surprise some of you guys, and I'm gonna be honest, full disclosure, I don't know if this is 100% fair review, right? The P&S is what I'm gonna put in the next category. I think this is gonna be third, right? Kind of working my way up between the 5 different products. This is why, right? I think it's great for production style detailing. If you're detailing 4, 5, 6 cars, I've detailed 60 cars and at one different time, using that as a pre-spray, right? Putting it in the foam cannon, pumping that bad boy up, right? And getting the tires definitely clean, and it does the job, right? It gets that stuff off there very quickly. So if you're doing production style, it's a great price point. I think it's like $20 for that gallon. So you really just can't beat it. The reason why I say it's not 100% fair is because I haven't taken the concentrate, like you have seen me using the actual concentrated form of the Carcare. I haven't taken the concentrate itself, put it in the bottle, and seen what it does on wheels. I know a lot of guys really like that product, so that's why I'm saying, if you're doing production style detailing, if you're running a car wash, if you're wanting to buy a product for a charity that you're gonna be hitting 60, 70 cars, I think that that's gonna get the job done in addition to buying that IK foam sprayer. So without further ado, let's get into who I have at number 2, and this might actually surprise you. So at number 2, I have the tire and wheel cleaner by Carcare. And I'm gonna go on for a couple things that you may not really think about as why. I think that if you want the best product that's going to save you the most time, either you're a consumer or a small business owner, but mainly consumer, I think this is the best consumer product that I've used on the planet, or at the time, right? And this is why. It works. It works the best. It gets the job done. You can see that even after I used other cleaners like the Diablo and some of the other ones, this is still picking up dirt that they left behind. And after only one pass, the wheels and stuff are going to be really clean. So this is going to be your best product. The reason why I don't necessarily like it is because I am actually trying to run a small business. And this right now, you can't buy it in bulk. You can only buy it at 16 ounces at a time. And for $13 a bottle, I am probably going to use this on, if I'm really trying to save some time, or if I have a car that I know that's just like really, really dirty, I'm gonna kind of use this as something I have in my back pocket, but I can't afford to use it as my every single day product. Now, if you, like I said, if you're a consumer, you only have your one car and you just want the best product out on the market, I think that this is it, right? It's going to save you the most time. It's going to work the most efficient. And you can see, as other big names like Pan the Organizer have alluded to, this product works and it kicks butt and it's going to save you some time. So if that's what you're into and you don't mind spending a little bit more, then go ahead and get it. This is a great consumer product, but as a small business owner, I can't necessarily buy it until they are able to get it in bulk. And I did talk to the owner, and like I said, we have a relationship. And he knows that at some point, once kind of the pandemic and things slow and he's able to produce things in large quantity, not only is he going to be able to get the price down, right? But he's going to be able to get this type of stuff in the gallon, the 2 gallon, and the things that, you know, professional detailers are going to be looking for. But right now, as a consumer, this is the best product that I've used out of all of these, but I'm putting in at 2 for 2 reasons, because of price. And another thing, this bottle and this trigger, it's not my favorite, right? It's a little bit cumbersome. It doesn't necessarily squirt the spray when I want it to, and it's not the best bottle out of all these. So reusability, honestly, once this product's gone, I'd probably just throw it in the trash. One thing I didn't try to do is put it in a foam sprayer. I talked to Matt, he said that this is a concentrate and it can be diluted in a foam sprayer, and he said it foams like crazy. So when I re-up and I get some more product, as you can see, I've used this quite a bit. I'm gonna see what that's like, and maybe we'll put it against, maybe we'll do a P&S showdown, since I don't know if they got like a fair trial here, and we'll kind of see which is the best product to put in a foam sprayer and what is the best product to dilute. And then that's gonna also help with the cost, right? Because if you can dilute this 3 to 1 or 4 to 1, it's gonna, you know, one bottle gets you 4 times as much product, right? So I think that's pretty important. So now let's talk about the product that I think was a pretty clear winner. It's going to be the Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. You know, for basically 1 quart, which is double what you're getting with some of the other products, it's the same price, right? About $13, $14, you can get this, and a lot of times you can get it on sale. One thing that I really love about products is if I'm in a pinch and I know I can go to the local AutoZone or I can go to Walmart or whatever, I'm always gonna like those products more, right? Because they're more accessible. And with some of the other products like P&S and the Carcare, I actually have to order those offline. I have to wait. So if I mess up and I run out of product, or I'm a little bit irresponsible, or I lose focus, you know, now I don't have my product, right? This you can find at almost every O'Reilly's, every AutoZone. So that was one of the big factors that let me say, hey, not only does this thing clean pretty dang well, and it's one of the best, if not, you know, a close tie with the Carcare, but you know, I can buy it anywhere. It's very accessible, right? And I think that's super important, because I don't want to sit here and talk to you guys about nothing but consumer products that are at boutique prices that are super expensive, because that's not what I'm here for, right? I'm trying to run a business, and I want to be fair to everybody. Another thing that I think is very important, right, is this bottle. I will reuse this bottle, and I have no problem doing that. You can see that the bottle, Meguiar's make some of the best bottles. It's not the most durable plastic, but for the most part, it's a great product. It's a great design. I could probably put something else in this bottle and use it, and it'd be no problem. I really had some trouble with the Carcare bottle, and I know that they are working on, you know, putting some different bottles out there. So if you guys are into that and you're doing a lot of cars, I can see where that product would, if you're using that bottle, it's definitely going to hurt your hand after the day. But this one, it just kept coming out. It comes out good. It's got a good spray pattern, right? So that was another thing that really let me push this over to the top. Accessibility, the bottle's better, and the product works really great, and the price point is nice, right? And here's another thing too, you can buy, because Meguiar's is an older product and it's an established brand, you can buy this in bulk and you can save yourself quite a bit of money. You can buy it straight from their website, or you can go to Amazon or different companies like that. So I really think that this is a good product, right? I would recommend this to the professional, to the small business owner. If you're looking to get a product that's going to work, it's going to save you time, and it's going to be easy on your hands, then this is the one. But if you want the absolute best tire and wheel cleaner, then go ahead and get the Carcare product. Thank you guys. So thank you guys so much for viewing my video. I hope that this answered some of your questions. And if you like this type of content, once again, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll keep these videos coming. I have a ton of products, and we can do these type of reviews all the time, in addition to some of my other series that I mentioned that I'm going to start. So, and if you haven't already, go ahead and watch this video here. That's going to give you a little tutorial about who I am, and maybe that way you'll understand how I did my evaluation on these products. And if you think I'm just dumb and I'm dead wrong, let me know in the comments, and we can have a conversation, because that's what I'm trying to do, is create a community here so that all of us consumers and our small business owners can be successful. So I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks.